shears here, which I use. I'm just going to demonstrate this little shears that I told you guys about in a previous video. I'm just going to cut these off. It is so freaking dark. I don't know if y'all going to be able to see, but anyway, let me get this trash out the way. But look, here are these scissors I was telling y'all about. They got the 5 blades. I'm going to show you what happens when I use them. When I cut, I have 2 green onions. I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, see how they're making little thin slivers of green onion there? Wonderful. Top this on tacos, burritos, geladas. See how I made that? Great. Y'all got my pound cake back there. Banana pound cake I just shared with y'all. But that's what these fabulous shears do. They make slivers of whatever you want to cut. Cooking with these gadgets. Yes, cooking with these gadgets. Once again, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Until the next episode. Thank y'all. Welcome all new people. Comment, subscribe, share. Oops.